Yo, so this is the update for the UGC platform that I'm using. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and this is how things are going so far in the 3 weeks since I signed up for the UGC platform. So firstly, I wanted to start off by saying I do not have a UGC portfolio. A lot of people who get into UGC will first make their portfolio before they start reaching out to brands. I don't have a portfolio yet. So a lot of the brands that I work with so far, I work with them without having a portfolio. That being said, I have bought some props and backgrounds to use to kind of step up my UGC game. I will be doing a shopping haul showing all the UGC related props, backgrounds, accessories that I bought to use to film my UGC videos. Secondly, I will leave a sign up link in a comment if you want to sign up to the website that I'm using to get UGC collabs without having a portfolio. So I'm going to show you how much I made and how much I've been reimbursed for all the collabs that I've done so far. Keep in mind that I'm only using one platform right now because I don't have a portfolio, and some of the platforms you have to have a very good portfolio to be able to get jobs. And also some of the UGC apps that I wanted to use, like Hellcard, a lot of people talk about that. You can only use that on a phone. Right now my phone doesn't have any storage for me to download UGC apps to use, so that's why I'm very limited right now to the one that I'm using. But once I grow my portfolio and make it better, I'll be able to sign up to more UGC websites. As you can see on the screen, this is how much I made, available earnings, and this is how much I will be reimbursed, available reimbursement, and this is the total of everything. So I once again want to say that all these I did without a portfolio, and if I had a portfolio, my earnings would definitely be higher because I'll be able to start reaching out to brands on my own and also be on the higher paying websites. So I would definitely recommend, if you don't have a portfolio and just want to start, to join this website that I'm using. I will put the link in the comment, and I also recommend that if you already have a portfolio, then you might want to go for the other websites that might have brands that pay higher. So from my personal opinion about this website, I think it's a good website for people who are brand new to UGC, have never done it before, and don't have a portfolio, because I was able to get jobs without a portfolio. Also, something that I noticed that it's very, like, I've applied to like probably over 60 jobs, but you do not, like, it's very hard to get accepted. Keep in mind, this could also be because I don't have a portfolio, so I won't judge anything too much until I finally have a portfolio. Because maybe when brands go to my page to see if they want to work with me, they see, oh, I don't have any portfolio posted. So that could be a huge reason why it takes me so long to get accepted for something. But for the ones I do get accepted without a portfolio, they're very easy to do, and I have managed to make some money without portfolios. I would definitely recommend this for anyone who's never done UGC and just learn about it and want to get into it. I would say this is the best website to join as a beginner, and then once you build up your experience, once you build up your experience, build up your portfolio, you need to like go to the better paying websites. So my next video is going to be a UGC haul. Like I said, I bought a lot of things that are related to UGC to help build my portfolio and make it better so that I could start reaching out to brands along with using the other UGC websites. I will be doing a shopping haul in my next video showing an unboxing of all the things that I got from my UGC, and also I will try to leave the links in the descriptions or the comments if you want to check out the things that I bought. So see you in the next video. Bye.